Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 10.1. Polydectes is turned to stone. Postquam Perseus ad insulam nauem appulit, se ad locum contulit ubi mater olim habitaverat, sed domum invenit vacuam et omnino desertam. After Perseus pushed his boat toward the island, he came to the place where his mother had once lived, but he found the house empty and entirely deserted. We begin with the subordinating conjunction, postquam. It's a temporal conjunction that is dealing with time. After Perseus, then we have a prepositional phrase, ad insulam, then the object nauem, and the verb appulit. This appulit is from the verb appello, which means to push. Its third conjugation, appello, appellere, like so. So after Perseus pushed his boat or sailed his ship toward the island, ad insulam, what did he do? Se contulit. Now this is an idiomatic expression. It is the verb confero, like so, confere, which is an irregular third conjugation, plus an object, and it takes a reflective object. So confere and se means to betake oneself or simply to go. So I can say me confero, I take myself, I go. I can say te confers, you take yourself, or simply you go. And here we have se contulit. Contulit is perfect. It's the third principal part of this confere. So this is a third singular perfect indicative active. He took himself, or more idiomatically, he went. Where did he go? Ad locum. He went to that place, to the place. But then we're going to have another subordinate clause, ubi mater olim habitaverat. So here is the main verb for the whole sentence, contulit. He went to that place where his mother, mater, once upon a time, olim, another temporal adverb, habitaverat, had lived. A pluperfect third singular of the first conjugation verb habito, habitare, like so. Now this is a compound sentence. Contulit is parallel to invenit, you see, and said connects them. It's a compound sentence. But he found, now the object is domum, feminine singular and accusative. This is an irregular verb. That's why the um here is a feminine form. This has some of the forms of a second declension and some of the forms of a fourth. But it's feminine. But he found the home, domum, vacuam et desertam. Notice that these are both feminine, singular, accusative adjectives because they're modifying domum. He found the house. How did he find it? Empty, vacuam, and completely barren. Omnino desertam. Omnino, of course, is the adverb formed on the adjective, third declension adjective, omnis, omne, like so. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.